friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I am back once again and इस बार मैंने shopping की है of some really nice footwear and bags which are really nice for summertime, for workwear, just very pretty in general. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So let's start with the footwear that I want to show you. And आज की जो मैंने products लिए हैं, obviously they are all from Amazon and they are pretty well priced. So first I have these mules from the brand called Try Me. पहली बार मैं इस brand को try कर रही हूँ literally. And how gorgeous are these mules? It's just for like I think 680 or 690 rupees. That's a steal deal. I love the color. It's like a blush pink shade. Looks so nice. Great one for all your vacation fits, beach wear. I love these mules. Like आप कुर्तास पे भी इसे पहन सकते हो. They're so nice. I like the black pom-pom detailing over here. Even the finish of it is very nice. That's how the back is. It does feel of really good quality. So आज का जो video है, it's more like a sort of like a unboxing. So मुझे literally अभी products मिले हैं and I'm literally checking them out with you guys. So I think this is a very nice pair of mules to have. Good brand to check out. Okay, I have another pair of mules. Now I bought this with the same brand Try Me, but यहाँ पे Try Me नहीं लिखा है, it's written Selfie. But it's actually the same product that I purchased and it has this nice buckle detailing right here. Let me show you a little more up close. So it has this print going on over here and a black front panel with a gold buckle. I love the combination. I love the print going on and I love the buckle detailing. It's so nice. It's so stylish. Perfect for all your workwear fits. Like even you could just wear a monochrome look and these mules इतना अच्छा लगेगा and it's very 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 stylish. आप shorts के साथ पहन सकते हो, shirt dresses के साथ पहन सकते हो, all of your western wear उस पर बहुत ही प्यारा लगेगा. If you are wearing like an all black kurta, solid kurta set, उस पर भी बहुत stylish लगेगा with a structured bag. It looks so good and yeah, the quality feels nice and it's overall a very nice product. And you know the best part, guys, this is just like for 721 rupees. That's another steal deal for these kind of mules. Go check out the link in the description box. So this pair literally screams summer. How beautiful is this? Look at that. I love this. I love this. I have been into everything checkered lately. जब भी समर टाइम होता है, just love everything checkered and these flats are just so pretty. This is from the brand Nist. I don't know how to pronounce that. सिर्फ 600 रुपये के ये flats हैं. They come in different colors and I love this sort of like a coffee mocha brown. I don't know what color to call it, like caramel coffee color. It's beautiful. Like आप कोई भी simple सा vacation fit पहनो and these flats, it looks so stunning. I'm imagining myself in a white dress, beach dress with these flats, a tote bag. Absolutely lovely, lovely, lovely piece. And for the price point, it's great. I love this brand. मैंने इस brand के काफ़ी सारे footwear पहले भी try किए हैं. They're so good, so comfortable, and this one has to be one of my favorites for today's video. Okay, now coming straight to the bags that I have this absolutely stunning beach bag. This is from some new brand जो मैंने try किया है and सिर्फ I think 600 या 700 rupees का ये tote bag है. It's like a crochet bag with the cutest heart prints on it. I love it. It's such a trendy combination and it's really cute, really really cute, and there is a lot of space inside. It's like the most cute and the perfect beach bag that you could ask for at such an amazing price. Absolutely love it. Go grab this one right now. Another stunning piece. Joe, I'm so surprised that I found this lovely boho clutch. ये है from the brand Shanbi Handicraft. मैंने पहली बार इसे try किया है and it is just for like 550 rupees or something and it's a very beautiful beachy vacation sort of clutch, and it comes with this belt which is great, so you can wear it across the shoulder or as a sling. It has an adjustable strap which is great, and इसका जो पूरा डिज़ाइन है, the color combination, it's so pretty, it is so vacationy, and जो बैक साइड है इसका, इसमें भी बहुत प्यारा पूरा पैच वर्क है, and I love the detailing right here. It's nice, it's perfect, and look at the print here again, and you get a zipper. So आप अपने सारे बेसिक एसेंशियल्स आपके साथ कैरी कर सकते हो, just like white t-shirt, denim shorts, and this boho bag, or a nice white dress with this boho bag, or a black dress with this boho bag. There's so many ways you can style this beautiful bag. It's very nice, perfect for the summertime, and very affordable. Really happy with this one. I cannot do a bag haul without my favorite brand, Miragio, and I have a very cute bag from them. Look at that, इतना cute सा bag है ये. It's a crossbody bag. It's in black, classic, and I love the buckle detailing over here. It comes with these straps, and there is a good amount of space to carry the एकदम जो essentials होते हैं, like your phone, your money, and all of that. A little bit of lip gloss, lipstick, you can carry all of that. So yeah, it's a perfect crossbody bag, and it is priced I think at around 1400 or something. Miragio की price points हमेशा कुछ ऐसे ही होते हैं, that's their like starting range, and they are such great quality, like I can vouch for their quality, and just the look and feel of these bags is so good. They look so stylish and classy, and this is definitely a very cute statement crossbody bag to have. Okay, I had my eyes on this one for such a long time. One, because of the style, two, because of the color. It's such a beautiful piece from Miragio. Look at that. It's their hobo bag, that's what you call it, and it's in a beautiful burgundy shade with this metal chain. I just love the look of it. I love the buckle detailing. So yeah, that's the buckle detailing right here. I love the metal strap detailing over here as well. Just the little things that make it look so stylish. And ये एक ऐसा बैग है जो आप किसी भी आउटफिट में पहन सकते हो. You can wear it on your casual denim looks. You can wear it on your shirt dresses. You can wear it on just any other maxi dress. You can wear it on your kurtas. There are just so many ways to style it. You can carry it when you're going out for brunch. You can carry it for work. And there is so much space inside this bag. You get a zipper as well over here, and you do get some pockets here as well, and it's so nicely done. I love the bag, love it, absolutely love it. I've really been into hobo bags lately because I just love the style of these. They look really stylish, and this one really is my most favorite pick from today's video. Highly recommend checking this one out. So guys, ये थे सारे products from today's Amazon haul. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो. If you like the video, then you know the drill. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.